to show YouTube my new South Park Stick of Truth series. It's going to be the best 100 subscriber special ever. Come on, open. You can do it. Do it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Black screen. Oh, hello noise. Is there supposed to be video here? Hello? Hello? Screen? Video? Title screen? Are you there? Hello? Hello? Title screen? Title screen? Hello? 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 What? Well, crap. I should hopefully get this fixed before I reach 100 subscribers. Just wanted you guys to know if it doesn't happen, die.